there are lots of business owner, they run Google ads but they don't get their desired result, I mean desired call or leads. Actually sometimes they get call, but sometimes the traffic call them from their target out of location, I mean. Okay, so what the issue actually in this video I will show you. Okay, so let's see. If I'm gonna share my screen, then look at that. If I'm gonna search on Google like personal injury lawyer in Miami, then look at that. I'm seeing lots of ad. Look at that. This is PPC campaign. This is sponsored, and this is sponsored. This is sponsored. This is sponsored. That means these are all PPC campaign. If I'm gonna click on any ads, then Google will cut their ad budget because this is the PPC campaign. I mean pay per click campaign. Okay, but look at that. One more thing. I'm seeing the ad from Bangladesh. Look at that. My location is Bangladesh. So I'm 100% sure they don't target Bangladesh. They don't want to target Bangladesh, but their ads showing on Bangladesh. If I'm gonna search on Google personal injury lawyer in San Diego, and then look at that, lots of ads I'm seeing. Okay, so what they are actually missing. Okay, so if you face this type of problem, this type of error, then you need to fix it. Now your question is how I can fix the problem. Okay, first of all we need to go our Google Ads account. Okay, look at that. This is the Google Ads account. This is one of my clients Google Ads account. I will show you how you can fix this type of issue. So first of all we need to select the campaign. Look at that. This is the campaign I'm selecting, and now we have to go the campaign settings. Look at that, here is on campaign settings option. So if I'm gonna click on the campaign settings, then it's need few seconds to redirecting. Then we need to find out the location section. If I'm gonna scroll down, then look at that, this is the location section. So click the location section and look at that, here is another option is location option. Okay, so click on location option and then here is two option. Okay, on is, look at that, there is two option. On is presence or interest, people in regularly in or who have shown interested in your included location, it's recommended. Maximum time we understand that when Google recommended something to us, then it's the real, but this is not realistic. Okay, so sometimes we move forward with without Google recommended. Okay, so I'm 100% sure they are running ads with selecting this option. So if you select this option and run your ads, then Google will show your ads out of your targeted location. But look at that, the second option, if I'm gonna select this option and save this change, then Google will not show our ads out of our targeted location, because look at that, people in or regularly in your included location. Okay, so if you don't fix this problem, if you don't select the number 2 option, then Google will cut your extra ad budget. They don't want to get your service, but they will click on your ads. Sometimes they will call your ads. So that's the thing actually. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in the next video.